Cooking is all about time and temperature. When you use your oven or a hot pan, you're cooking at much higher temperatures than the desired doneness of your food. This often leads to overcooking and undercooking, and you ruining dinner. Again, ovens fluctuate more than 40 degrees during a cook. Or did you ever wonder what the difference is between 9 and high on your stovetop? Good luck with that. Sous vide is a cooking method where food is placed in a sealable bag and cooked at a constant, precise temperature. This allows you to create perfect meals time after time without the guessing games of traditional cooking methods. Sous vide works by circulating heated water in a pot, which brings food to a very precise temperature. You can set the temperature of the water to the desired doneness of the food, guaranteeing that your food will never overcook. Whether you're looking for rare, well done, or anything in between, your food will be loaded with flavor and just how you like it. Just leave it in the bath until you're ready to dig into your perfectly prepared meal. Ready to cook like a pro? Join millions across the globe at #AnovaFoodNerd and use the tools chefs in world-class restaurants have been using for decades, right in the comfort of your own kitchen, with perfect results every time.